It's your boy BankFishingSteve'O. Today we're back with another video. So today I came out here earlier. The bite was good. I caught 9 and I lost 3. I'm gonna roll the clip right here, the biggest one I caught. Come on, man. BankFishingSteve'O does it again, baby. Come on now, ho. Yes, sir. Let me get that money shot for y'all. That money shot. Stick that whole fist in that thing. Come on, baby. Boy does it again, baby. Yes, sir. Bank fishing, baby. So yeah, we back out here right now. We got the, a dinger tied on one pole, and we got frog tied on the other one. Mainly we're gonna be throwing the dinger, so that's what they're biting on. Yeah. Just got a thud. Yeah, y'all. So, like I said, I came out here early. I caught 9. Y'all see what he just caught? That looked like the same one I caught earlier. That looked like the same one I had caught earlier. And it was the same spot from right in there. Got one. Oh! They right here, Calandre. I said they right here. told him y'all finna come out here and do it to him. Told him. That's 2 fishes so far. We got 2. Stop swinging it. Stop swinging it. Some just hit it. I just got a thud. Stop swinging it like you swinging it like that. That's why you throwing it anywhere. Like actually throw it where you want to throw it at. Like actually throw it.
I got it.
Got one.
Big one.
Got one. He got one, y'all. Oh, he got a monster. He got a monster.
Get him. Don't let him come on.
Let me get that. Get it for him. He got a monster, y'all. He got a monster, y'all. Get him. Get him.
I don't know. Should I?
Dumb him. Yeah, grab him. Bro, grab him. Stop playing. Hold him tight. This man, let me pick.
Oh, trolling.
He caught a monster.
I knew it.
That's like a 4 or 5 pounder. Huh?
Hold on. I can't even grab him.
Grab the fish. Let me unhook him for you. I'm gonna sit him down. Huh?
Sit him down so I can. Yeah.
That's like a 4 or 5 pounder.
Come on. What's up, boy?
This man's scared to pick up the fish. Grab him with your thumb.
Oh. Gotcha.
Y'all look at this, man. Show them people your fish, man. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Get my picture. Hold on. Well, you gonna get the video on there?
Yeah, I got it already.
Alright, bet. Safe releases?
Go ahead and release that boy. This man, that's the one way to do it.
Yeah, where my bait at?
It should be on there still.
Oh, my shit. Oh.
Go grab another one out the bag.
One, two?
Yeah, that one too. Oh, I just had one. I lost him. You can grab any color you want to. I think they're gonna eat anything. Y'all look at that thumb, how chewed up it is. That's how you know you catch them for real. I told you, came out here and put that boy on them fish, y'all.
How am I supposed to do this?
Hold on.
I'll help you out now if you need his help now, Steve.
I don't need no help. You see what I just did? I caught 2 back to back. That was your first one. You finally want to catch something. I'm finna show you right here. Hold on, I'm finna get you right though.
Thank you.
That's floating?
Got him.
He got one.
Got one. Got one. Got one. Got one. He ain't getting off. He ain't getting off. He ain't getting off. Not this one. Not this one.
Go down there and get him. He on the land. Why you still reeling him? All right, that's good. Torching the poor fish. Take the hook out of his mouth.
What is that?
That's like 2.5, 3 pounder.
What the fuck? Look at this man.
The hook right there in the top of his mouth.
Damn it. No. This ain't coming up. I'm struggling.
You want me to grab it?
Get it up.
First, let me show him your fish.
You know. Two. How many I missed? None. Listen, YouTube, only safe releases. Strictly safe releases. Nothing more than that.
Let's go. Yeah, that's a fish. That's a fish. It's a big one too. It's a hog. Yeah, that's a fish. Yeah. Oh, I got him. I had bird's nest a little bit and I just left it out there. I got him on the bird's nest. Got him on the bird's nest. Got him on the bird's nest. Come on, buddy. Stop tearing up my thumbs. They tore up already. Yeah. I'm gonna have to get the thing and pull that out of his mouth. It's like a 3 pounder, 3.5. Yeah. He got the hook good. He got the hook good because I didn't even know he was on there. I had bird nested, like I said, and I was taking the bird nest out. Come on, buddy, let my hook go now. There you go. What that is, 3-2? Yeah, so now we in a little friendly competition. It's 3-2 right now, but I don't know how much longer we're gonna be out here. If y'all can see, show them the sky right here. Y'all can see right there, it's clear, but show them back there. As y'all can see back there, it's like a thunderstorm brewing in. You can put it back there. It's like a thunderstorm brewing in, so I don't know how much longer we're gonna be out here, but we're gonna keep getting this footage for y'all. But I just told you, if I go up another one, cancel it. What that is, 4-2? (4-2). Come on now. We are not changing baits. This one that got beat up. Look at that. That's a fish's thumb. A real bass fish's thumb right there. Check that out. Yeah, that thing all beat up. That's like my, how many I done caught today? I caught 9 earlier and 4 today. And 4 just now. Look at this, it's all ripped up. I'm gonna keep using it. We just gonna hook them in different places. There ain't no need to change. There ain't no need to change. You gotta press it down on there. Look at that thing. That thing all chewed up. See, I don't know what's going on right now. It keep tangling. It wasn't doing this earlier. I might gotta tighten up the tension a little bit. I'm gonna tighten the tension a little bit. Now push it down in there hard. This man that went across the screen and caught him one, y'all. Heck nah. Oh yeah, I do see him.
No, this is my spot now. Yeah. And my legendary spot.
Oh shit.
I've been fishing over there before, but they weren't really over there at first.
This man that went across the screen and caught him one, man. Y'all comment down below, bank fishing dupe, man. That's
That was my second cast over there.
What that is? 4-3? I'm up 1.
Yeah. Yeah.
Throw that bit. You could throw him. You could throw him on any side. Man, I done ran out of hooks, y'all, and I done ran out of bullet weights. But we finna make it work. Y'all, this man I got another one. He done even the score to 4-4, man. Oh, he got him like a 3-pounder too. I'm coming. That boy got him like a 3-pounder. He out here doing it.
On me.
Heck nah.
They finna try to state my spot. They just said, he got a D.
Hold on. This like a 3-pounder right here.
Come over there. I'm telling you, they all
Ooh,
jumping right
that hurt. This finger so nice little one.
Yeah.
That's a 3-pounder. Nice hook set too. Your worm gone.
It is. It must be inside on it then. I need another one.
Go get one.
You want to put them back for me?
Yeah, I got you. I'm gonna throw them over here.
I'm telling you, Steve, come over there. They jumping like every 1 second, like 3 arms up.
I'm about to come over there. Damn, Color George just lost one. They don't want me to whoop. Damn, man. Damn it, man.
Hey, you don't be weighing them up?
Huh?
You don't be weighing them up?
Nah, my scale broke. Yeah, they all in this area. You see that little flow of water going out there? They on the edge of it. Like right in front of you. Like where you standing at, like to the side of you, it's a drain pipe.
Right there where that white thing at?
Now right here.
See, I be up that way,
It's a drain pipe right here.
drain pipe.
Yeah, you don't see how that water going like that?
Yeah.
They all on the side. Yeah, he got another one.
This man got another fin.
I need that.
This man got a whole nother fin. Look, he really done been in too.
This man got another one.
This ain't even nothing compared to the ones caught today. Like, way bigger than this.
That
But
big
that's
though.
about a 2.
I threw my
I
junk.
left my whole fucking book bag. I had a weight thing in that bitch.
My junk's so old, they don't be reading right.
Put my junk back on there right, Steve. I'm finna get straight to business.
Man, you put it on there.
She better get this bitch on her own.
Got one.
So I just called her when the same time she talking about this baby. Well, you gonna keep that shit. Keep that shit. Just for that. Talk about the baby shit.
Let me see. What that is, 6 for you?
Yeah, this is a good 6.
He got 6. I got 5. He winning the competition right now. He got him another one. He got 7. And he won a little competition. He got him 7P. Said, I'm done. I told you I'm done. I ain't tying it back on.
Look at that gator. The gator came up exactly where I was standing at before I went back. Yes, sir.
That's like a 3-pounder. So that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Man, I don't know where the footage of me catching those 2 fish at. Like, I've been sitting here trying to find it, and I don't know if I recorded it or not. I think I did, cause I got my GoPro set on voice, and I can tell it when they're recording. Now, I don't know if it recorded or what, but I lost the footage of those 2 fish. Like I said, man, we had a good day out there. Like, that morning, I went out there and caught 9 fish. Yeah, that morning I went there and caught 9 fish. As y'all can see, that one big one, that was one of the 9 fish I caught. Then I doubled back out there later that afternoon. I caught 5 and he caught 7. So that's like 21 fish out of that one spot in one day, man. We was out there tearing them up. Man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like I said, we're gonna be dropping more bangers. I finally got a laptop that way I can edit and everything. So stay tuned. We're gonna be dropping back to back, man. See y'all in the next one.